Hello students, I hope you all are fine, and in this video we are going to discuss one other aspect of code first flow of entity framework, that is code first existing database. It means we have created a database at first, and after that still we are preferring the code. It means we want to create a code after the creation of a database by using the tables of a database. We are going to create the model classes of an application, and we will also create the derived context, and after that we can read and write from the database also. So for that, what I am going to do, I am going to create a new project here. Code first, okay, console app.net framework, and console app 3 code first existing db. Code first existing db is the name of console app 3 code first entity framework existing db. So instead of C, I have written here E, but it's okay. Entity framework existing DB or code first existing DB. So there are no model classes that are there into the project. So what I am going to do, I am going to create a project right now. I'm going to create a database for the current project that I have created, and after that I'll generate the model classes for the project. So in a local DB, ms equal local DB. Instance of a SQL Server. Okay, database, add new database, code first existing DB is the name of database that I have created. Okay, so inside this database, I am going to create a table. See, and the name of table is, okay, I am going to put the name of table as blogs. And ID is already there, international primary key, and add the entity increment by one, and name of blog varchar. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to update the database, and database table is created. See, within the database, that is code first existing database. The name of database is that. So here I can actually see the data, ID, name, visual program, and save it. Okay, so I have to create model classes now, and I have to create a derived context. See, for that purpose, again we have to work entity framework, and for adding model classes we have to work with entity data model that can be added, you see, into the project by right click on the project, and by adding new item from the data category, and that is entity framework 6.x DB context generator, and name it, you see, sorry, instead of DB context generator, add your .NET entity data model, and name it blog context, and add it into the project. So after adding entity data model, you just select the code first from database, code first from existing database, and next. Here I have to select a database. So new connection, and Microsoft SQL Server. Continue. Server name is MS SQL local DB. Okay, MS SQL. We have to see its name of server is local DB MS SQL local DB. So I copied it, and again I am going to add your .NET entry data model blog context. Add code first from database. A new connection. Microsoft SQL Server. Server name is, and select the database from here. Code first existing DB is the database. You can test a connection also. Connection succeeded, and after that select OK. Okay. So this is the connection string you see that is generated by the data model, entity data model, and after pressing next, we have to select you see tables. So if I want to select all tables, it's okay, and after that finish. So for this table blocks, model will be created, and context will also be created. But there will be some added code also, uh, because the code is being generated automatically right now. You can see blog context.cs file is created, and inside that blog context is the derived context that is the child of DB context, and we created the derived context into the code first new database. You see in the similar manner constructor, and you see child invoking the constructor of base class with by providing a value you see name equals to blog context, and a single property is created DB set. So this is actually code of Fluent API. We haven't stated the code of Fluent API yet. Well, this code is generated automatically, so we don't have to change it until we get understanding about this code. Well, so this is actually the block context. We have to create the object of this, and then we can work with these blocks. And uh, you have to see that by adding entity data model, entity framework classes are also added here. And uh, this is block context.cs file, and this is blog.cs, that is our model class blog. Public int id gets it, and public string name gets it. This is data annotation that I already told you into the previous video of migrations and data annotations. So what I have to do here, again I have to write the code using variable db context equals to new context, and then variable blog very okay, string name of blog equals to console dot read line. Before that I have to write it console dot write line, enter name of blog. Okay, after that I asked for the name of blog, and if I have the name of blog, then I can create the object of blog. Blog equals to new blog, and blog dot name equals to name of blog. and then you see db context dot blogs dot add what blog, and then db context dot save changes. And then I can write a query also from db context from blog in db context dot blogs order by blg dot name select what blg, and now I can write for each loop. See variable item in query, and then I can write console dot write line item dot name. Also I can write console dot write line item dot id. So the difference between the two, and that's it. So one record is already added into into the table, and now I am going to add another record with the name that will be actually given by the user. So control F5, enter name of blog, uh, advanced visual program. So advanced visual programming, this is you see order by. So we ordered the records by the name. So advanced visual programming is the first record that I am seeing, and visual programming is the second record that I am seeing here. I hope every point is clear for you. And along with this video, I'll be uploading the slides also, in which step-wise everything is written. So it's your choice whether to follow this video or to follow the slides. But in the slides, I have also written the notes that will be very helpful to you. I hope you will practice, and we will meet into the next video. Thank you.